Let's solve a common problem. Scan documents. I want this data to go into Excel. I can't copy paste anything. OCR works, but rows and columns go haywire. The solution is use Copilot, free version of Copilot. So let's see how this is done. This PDF document has 2 pages. This publicly available information. Now I go to Copilot and ask Copilot to extract the text and create an Excel file. Look at the prompt carefully. Extract text, create Excel file, add the text to the file. Each page in PDF should become a sheet in Excel. It's good to tell Copilot exactly you should replicate the data, including formatting. This is a very common problem, especially after OCR, numbers come as text. Then I will have to manually convert text to numbers. I don't want that. I want AI itself to do it. But I didn't stop there. Anyone who is using AI should always be cross-checking what AI does. But what I'm doing here is asking AI to cross-check itself. So step 1, create the Excel file. Step 2, I'm asking Copilot itself to compare it with the original and find problems. And if it finds problems, it should correct them and create a new Excel file. This is free version of Copilot with corporate or Office 365 login. Because of this, you get enterprise data protection. You can safely use corporate or business or confidential data here. That's not going to be used for training, and there are many other benefits. The other thing you have to remember is in Copilot, when I select a file, I am already having the file on OneDrive or Teams or SharePoint. I am just referring to the file. I am not uploading it. I am not making a copy of it. So let's see what Copilot has done. It took 10 steps to reason and do the job. I'm using the latest GPT 5.5 model. When I say latest, it's as of today. When you are doing this, open this drop down and select the correct model. It's calling me Your Majesty. Why? Because just for fun, I have put that as a custom instruction. So it's given me not 1, but 3 documents. So what did it do? Created the original Excel file, then compared it with PDF, created a report, and then based on whatever was there in the report, it corrected it and then created the final version. So let's look at the report first. This file was downloaded. That's why it is marked as unsafe. Enable editing. You should do only if you trust it. So this is the validation report, expected and actual. And it has done it not just for the data, but also for data type. It should all be numeric. So it seems to have done a very good job. So let's close this file and open the validated version of it. Again, enable editing. And just to compare it ourselves visually, this is the PDF file. I'm going to split the screen and we will compare few numbers. So if you want, you can pause and compare it for yourself. Having done that, I also want to do one more thing. This is the original file. This is the repaired file. Let's open the original file as well. I want to do one more round of cross-checking within Excel. No, you don't have to do it manually. There is a direct powerful tool available inside Excel. In the Inquire tab or menu, there is an option called Compare Files. Make sure the initial one is on top, validated is bottom. In case it's reverse, you can just swap. Now, one click on Compare button. That's all you need to do. It'll open a separate tool called Spreadsheet Compare. And here are the results. Original, validated, and if there were any changes, they would be listed here. As of now, we have no changes. Bottom line, start using Copilot to convert scanned documents into proper Excel files without any manual work. This is going to increase accuracy and save time. And make sure you invest that time into activities which will help you grow faster. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and most importantly, try this out with your data and share it with all your friends and colleagues. So that's it for now. See you soon. Thank you for watching.